Yeah. So anyway, we're getting ready to start foaming putting the foam insulation in the front stateroom and the media room. We have back here, here's the aft wall, and then going on around, we have the port wall. All the wiring chases are closed up, so if we ever have to reuse them, we can. We're going to do a little bit of work, foam work in the anchor locker here, so a little bit of tape up, because this wall here is not going to have too much, but we'll put it on that side. Although I guess we need to protect it then, so that's going to be interesting. We got to put some sort of plastic over it and whatnot. And there's those two areas. And then we got the bathroom here. Got everything taped up and ready for foaming. There's a ductwork and whatnot, a vent box, and shower and manifold, and then the actual plumbs. Coming out to the media room, we got all the wires and bags and whatnot. And then coming across, got the equipment box, closed off the passageway. We'll go ahead and shoot foam in that. And then we got all of our AC lines coming down. And then going on across, we have the AC lines going forward to the outlets and then into the front stateroom. We got another control box, and then we got, again, the chase up here. Not too many wires on this side, so we'll go ahead and shoot into it, but this side is where you can get through the different sides. So we got that closed off. We'll move the AC and stuff tomorrow so that we can get up in here. We're waiting for the sanitation hose, so it runs. So we just blocked out kind of a path for it, and then we'll take those pieces out. But anyway, it goes up there. The new hole for the sanitation hose is right down there, and then we'll be able to pull it out up there. The old one used to be down here, which was a major long winding hose all through the back walls and whatnot, so we get much shorter run now. So anyway, that's what we'll start working with tomorrow.